You'll probably be in receipt of this particular display. The way to assemble it is as follows, with the following 3 products. Concertina open the main stand. Stand that component up, ensure that these wings are folded, and pre-fold the top of the shelf. You can work your way from top to bottom or bottom to top, either doesn't really matter. Please fold down the shelf and push in this area where you can see my finger and my other finger pushing it forward. Push the lock tab down. Repeat this sequence on every single shelf. Ensuring you can see the back of each shelf upon each compartment. The easy part will be the header. Just literally slot that into the top before applying any product onto the top shelf. You'll also be in receipt of this panel here, which you can see there's some double-sided tape here, here, here and here. I won't assemble this on film and take the tape off, but in essence you peel this double-sided tape off, and seal the product around. There's 2 short inner flaps on the inside and the large flap on the outside. Please do remove that tape and it will bond. Please peel this tape off and then you can apply to either side of the stand. You will see here 2 tick marks, and the same is on the other side, 2 tick marks. So you can decide which is best when in situ in your store. So you can either attach your leaflet holder on the left hand side or onto the right hand side.